Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a hot 1985 Chevy Blazer right here as a 496 stroker big block, making over 600 horsepower, overdrive trans, fresh body off frame restoration. This thing is just cool. So it doesn't fit in our photo studio. That's why we're outside on this beautiful day. I'm holding the microphone in my hand, trying to cut down on the wind. But let's give you a walk around. Won't be able to go for a spin. Go to volocars.com and you can read all the specs and study all the pictures. And that's where you find the price on this one and all of the collector vehicles we have for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you're notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, let's check it out. I usually start off by talking about the underside, so this time it's up high enough I think we can just look under there. It is body off the frame, so the underbody is all clean metal, painted orange. Chassis is all smooth black. Obviously four-wheel drive, 14-bolt rear end. The front end here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the back one is 14-bolt. I got new steering stabilizer. It's a brand new 6-inch lift. He put a 12-inch on it and it was too much. So we just converted it to a 6-inch lift. That's all new. That was just recently done. You can just see how nice and clean all the components are. The springs, the bushings are all new. It has disc brakes at all 4 wheels. All new shocks all the way around. See the wheel wells are painted orange. Rough country springs. If you get underneath here is an electric fuel pump I'm looking at, and it has a custom exhaust with stainless mufflers and stainless electric dumps. I will be demonstrating that towards the end of the video here. It also has 1-ton axles, so it has 8 lug nuts, so it's the heavy-duty axles. And again, just look at how clean the metal is. It's a rust-free vehicle. The frame is smooth, not even pitted. New springs, new shocks. It's got a new fuel system. There's the 14-bolt rear end, chrome cover, stainless braided brake hoses. It actually rides and drives very well for what it is. One of the best ones I've been in. Yeah, 700 R4 overdrive trans, has aluminum finned cover, chrome oil pan, rebuilt starter. So if you do go mudding, you're going to have to wash the underside on this one. Okay, now, tires and wheels are brand new. Still has the nubs on the tread. They're not worn at all. The wheels are new. Let's see, what size are they? They're 35 12.5 0R 20 LT, so 20-inch wheels. It's painted in Hugger orange. Really nice, smooth finish. All the trim is real nice. Yeah, it is a fuel-injected big block. It's a metal cowl hood painted on stripes. It's a little dusty. We drove out here on this gravel road and made a cloud of dust. The grill is in very good shape. There's a few little imperfections. That tells me it's not new, but it's very nice. The bumper is a new bumper. This filler piece here looks new. It has 496 emblem up on the cowl hood. That's a stroked 454 motor is what it is. Paint looks like it was rubbed right here, maybe before they had everything adjusted. It's not touching now. New stainless mirrors. The vent window trim looks original. Well, the rubber's soft, but the frame has never been repainted. Got these nice tubular step bars, whatever you want to call them. The body is absolutely straight, no rust, no damage. Door handle's nice. Look at our pictures on the website. It has the convertible soft top that fits really nice. It actually looks really good up. I almost prefer it up. Looks real nice. It's not ugly. This emblem, the tail lights, the tail panel, that all looks new. Bumper's new. And the convertible top is fairly easy to use. Just fold it, unfold it, and unroll the top, and it just attaches, and away you go. This is a modern fuel cap, it looks like. This side's just as straight and clean and nice, no damage. This needs a little glue or adhesive, so if you're the lucky guy buying this or lucky woman buying this, make sure you remind the salesman about that. But look how nice it is right down to the bottom. It's funny we say the bottom, but it's 3 feet in the air. Windshield's been replaced. All right, so let's open it up, see what's inside. All right, you're gonna open the tailgate. There's a latch on the inside as well, because I don't have the key, so that cable you seen sticking out, obviously that's just the cable for that. Look how nice this is all painted, a lot of new hardware, the weather strip. The back compartment here is all carpeted, 2 6x9 speakers, and the roll bar, it's all painted to match. It has gives it a cool look. Door jambs are all painted real nice. Again, the metal, they found a really clean truck to start with. Door panel's been replaced, has power windows, power locks. Original style dash. It has a stainless insert glued over it. Does have a tachometer. It is a tilt column with a custom wheel. Does have a stereo with a USB plug and an auxiliary plug. It has a new dash cap. The metal's painted nice. Carpet's replaced. Has a center console. Nice storage compartment. And then you've got some nice seats. There's one little tiny hole at the top here, and then the back seat is also upholstered. So overall, very good interior. The outside's amazing. The interior, I would say, is good. Very good. And this is where it gets good. Really good. So that's a 496 stroker big block. You see stainless headers, billet plug wire holders, has a fuel injection system. It's an easy EFI fast. Has an Excel throttle body, custom air filter intake, real nice tall cast valve covers. It's a serpentine belt system, modern alternator. It has power steering, power brakes. It has a vacuum pump because of the cam that's in there. Looks like aluminum radiator to keep it cool. It has 2 electric fans. Does have a set of air horns here. They're not fully hooked up. In the engine bay and the wheel wells under the hood, all that was painted real nice orange. The air conditioning works. We service the air. It's got 600 horsepower big block with cold air, power steering and brakes. Got a transmission cooler up in front here in the grill. So it's no secret, people love Broncos, Blazers, trucks. Even if you're not a lover, how could you resist this one? The colors, the wheels, the way it sits, that big block power. I mean, this just looks like a good time. So that's my impression. Go to volocars.com. You can get help from the salesman. They can help get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so you'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.